Good evening. How are we doing today? Happy World's Music Day and Happy Yoga Day. अगर बहुत टाइम से योगा को लेकर के प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट कर रहे हैं ना, trust me, today is a good day to make a pledge to yourself that okay, I'm gonna do it because hey, it's good for you. And trust me, more than physical aspects of it, I think one should do it because hi, are we there? Hello. Why am I not seeing anybody? Hello everyone. Lovely, here you are. So I was saying more than physical benefits of it, I rather go with the mental benefits of it, the way it actually makes you wiser in terms of you don't even realize what's changing within you. Even if you don't meditate, you do just the yoga, it's amazing. So try it for sure. How are you doing? क्या चल रहा है? Ideally आज music day है. I'm not the right person to talk about music much. I'm new to it. But at the same time, I'll do what I do best. I'm going to tell you something that I read about relationships, about incompatibility. So how do you know that the person that you have found recently or the person that you have been with is actually compatible to you or not? So there are some signs that you can always look for. Easier said than done, I understand, but at least you will have a wider understanding of you are compatible with them or not, because once you know that you two are absolutely different people, चीजें आसान हो जाती है फिर भी समझना. Awareness I think can solve a lot of things. So number one sign to look for incompatible partner is that they try and change you. We hear that a lot, right? There's someone who is always more in love with the other and they try and change themselves, sometimes subconsciously or without even knowing. The other person who is less in love will make them feel uncomfortable and they would want to change themselves because hey, they are the one who don't want to lose you. So always make sure that you, if you are on the better side, make sure that you always tell them that you don't have to change. I accept you fully and completely, because we all have flaws, don't we? Right? And if you're on the other side wherein you feel the constant need of changing yourself, so understand कि वो आ कहाँ से रहा है. आप खुद आपको लग रहा है कि you're not good enough for your partner, और या फिर आपको ऐसा लगता है कि they will not accept you if you're not changing as per them. Understand? So I think the very thought of having somebody who is having issues is a sign that you are also not vibrating in a certain frequency. तो अगर आप toxic लोगों को attract कर रहे हो, then you have to look into yourself, not the partner you are attracting. हम सुनते हैं ना ऐसा, कितनी बार मैंने अपने friends लोगों से सुना यार, I always attract unavailable men, those who just want to have fun and leave. I never attract sincere people, or attract somebody who's controlling. तो जिन लोगों की ये पैटर्न्स होते हैं, यूजुअली दे कम फ्रॉम देयर चाइल्डहुड. सो जिनके डैड या मॉम कंट्रोलिंग होते हैं, दे विल ऑलवेज फाइंड अ सेंस ऑफ फेमिलियरिटी विथ somebody similar who is doing the same toxic treatment to them. Second sign that you have to look for in a relationship to know whether you are incompatible is the lack of passion. Again, जैसे किसी रिलेशनशिप में प्यार ज्यादा होता है, किसी रिलेशनशिप में इंटीमेसी की डिजायर, फिजिकल इंटीमेसी की डिजायर, सेक्स की डिजायर ज्यादा होती है. बिकॉज हे, यू आर नाउ in this era, in 2021, you are trying and being loyal to somebody, and your partner is not as much into physical intimacy as you are. So there is a big gap. I mean, intimacy is an extremely important thing. We say, वो बहुत ही अलग notion होता है जहाँ पे हम बोलते हैं कि यार प्यार चाहिए यार, बाकी सब तो करके देख लिया, और I have had enough flings in my life. I had been with many women and I now want to value a good relationship, a stable partner. Trust me when I tell you that the day the honeymoon phase gets over, in terms of niceness, being blind in love, you'll realize that your needs and their needs are extremely different. And you feel it in your body. What will you do? I mean, look at it. The weather like that. Isn't it doing something to you? It is, right? So that's where it is. And it's very biological. There's nothing wrong in it. Third thing is that you only hang out with your partner. You do not have friends. You do not have a social life of your own, or you have not met his friends. He has not met your friends because, hey, that's where your time is going, So, and fourth, very quickly, very important, they try and change you. They don't try and grow you or nurture you. So always look for somebody कि आपके करियर को लेकर के वो कितना attentive है. अब मैं बोल रही हूँ कि नहीं ध्यान दे कि आपकी लिपस्टिक का शेड कौन सा है, या आपने कपड़े कैसे पहने, या वो कॉम्प्लीमेंट नहीं दे पा रहे कि आप कितने ब्यूटीफुल लग रहे हो आज. ये छोटी छोटी चीजें ना मैटर नहीं करती. इंस्टाग्राम पे अच्छा लगता है, एक लाल लाल अच्छा लगता है, लेकिन इन द लार्जर स्कीम ऑफ थिंग्स, दोज हु कैन एक्चुअली मेक अ डिफरेंस इन योर लाइफ, दैट is someone you want to be with. Even when they leave you, even when you leave them, there's a part of their teachings that stay with you. There's a part of what they gave you that stay with you. That could be lesson, that could be a career guidance, that could be gifts for that matter. Some people are really kind to give you some things that you really need, but you don't want to buy them yourself, you know. There are things like that. So always look for somebody who is actually adding value, not just by complimenting, but making a real difference by paying attention. Now this one, the next point, is a big one for me, and I have always chosen my partner based on this particular thing. And I used to think that, am I too selective, या फिर मेरी demand ज़्यादा है क्या? And that is, I am a sapiosexual. I will not like you if you're not conversational, if you'll not be able to understand. So the point is, bracket, getting non-verbal cues. Now when I say non-verbal cues, I mean to say कि the phone पे जब आप tonality of your voice change, ऐसा होता है ना, आपका mood खराब होता है, आप hello बोलते हो और आपका partner, आपका boyfriend या girlfriend समझ जाता है. What happened, baby? Are you okay? Then you say, no, I'm fine. Tell me what happened. You'll feel better. होता है ना? You want that kind of person कि जब आपको वो आपकी vibe catch करते हैं, वो आपकी आंखें कैच करते हैं कि इनको पता चलता है कि there's something wrong with her or there's something wrong with him. Let me comfort him. Even if I cannot ease the pain, even if I cannot help her or him, let me just be there for them, you know. So find somebody who can understand your non-verbal cues. क्योंकि कई बार ना लोग ऐसे रिलेशनशिप में फंस जाते हैं जहाँ पे इंसान बोल बोल के भी थक जाता है, तो भी उनको समझ में नहीं आता कि what they should do. Just that they're not capable of understanding that, you know. एंड मैन, लड़कों में वैसे भी मेच्योरिटी थोड़ा लेट से आती है. ऐसा कहते हैं कि लड़कियां ज़्यादा जल्दी मेच्योर होती हैं इमोशनली और फिजिकली भी, बट लड़कों में मेच्योरिटी का लेवल जो है वो काफ़ी लेट आता है. काफ़ी लेट मतलब काफ़ी लेट. सो दीज आर द साइन दैट यू हैव टू लुक फॉर एंड बी वेरी वेरी केयरफुल. बिकॉज क्या है ना, somewhere I think these nice books and motivation, and I also talk about those things, about being positive, about looking at the bright side, looking at what you have, count your blessings and all of that. इनका एक ड्रॉबैक पता है क्या होता है? इनका एक ड्रॉबैक ये होता है कि आप इतना ज़्यादा ग्रेटिट्यूड में फोकस करते हो ना कि आप एक्चुअल जो प्रॉब्लम्स है ना उनको नज़रअंदाज करते हो. आपको लगता है कि देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम, आई एम गेटिंग नेगेटिव फॉर नो रीजन. बट लुक एट इट. यू आर ग्रोइंग ओल्ड, आई एम ग्रोइंग ओल्ड. And you do not want to waste your years. Trust me, if you are an emotional person, अगर आपने गलत पार्टनर चूज कर लिया ना, 1-2 साल तो कहीं नहीं गए. आप बोलने के लिए बोलते हैं कि यार I am a casual kind of a guy, I get out of love, I don't know, I have never been into any short relationship ever. मेरे से हुआ ही नहीं, पता नहीं कैसे. I so wanted to, but then हुआ नहीं. So for me, it becomes an affair for about what? At least minimum of 2, 3, 4 years. I just cannot get away with it because I don't want to hurt the person, or sometimes you're just too positive to see the real things. So awareness, very helpful. Lots of love. I love you. Happy World Music Day. अगर आप सिंगर नहीं भी हो ना तो भी गाओ यार. आवाज़ सबकी अच्छी होती है, पैशन चाहिए होता है कई बार. I mean obviously ट्रेनिंग ले लो अगर सीरियसली कुछ करना है तो, जैसे मैं कर रही हूँ. लेकिन अगर शौक है ना, या पहले गाया करते थे, वापस उठा लो म्यूजिक को. बहुत सूदिंग है.